In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check for updates in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Keeping Acrobat Pro up to date ensures you have the latest security fixes, smoother performance, and any new features Adobe has rolled out. Before you begin, it's a good idea to save any open documents and make sure you have a stable internet connection, since the updater will need to download files. If you're on a work computer, note that you might need permission from your IT team to install updates. Start by launching Adobe Acrobat on your device. Give it a moment to fully open so the menus are available. Next, access the Update option. On Windows, click the menu button in the top left corner of the app window. On Mac, go to the top menu bar and click Help. You're looking for the same command on both systems, just accessed in slightly different places depending on the platform. From that menu, select Check for Updates. Acrobat will immediately start a quick scan using Adobe's Updater engine. This scan looks at the version you have installed and compares it with the latest release available from Adobe's servers. It usually takes just a few seconds, but it can take a bit longer depending on your connection. If an update is available, you'll see a dialog box with details about what's new or what's being fixed. When you're ready, click Download and Install. The download and installation will run in the background. You can generally continue working, but avoid closing Acrobat while the updater is processing. If you're on a laptop, keep it plugged in so the installation isn't interrupted. You'll see progress indicators as the patch is applied. When the process completes, Acrobat will let you know. If you're already up to date, a pop-up will confirm that no updates are available and that you have the latest version installed. In that case, you're all set and can continue using Acrobat as normal. Once the patch finishes processing, click Close to exit the updater. If Acrobat prompts you to restart the application to apply changes, go ahead and close and reopen it. This ensures the new files are fully loaded and any security fixes take effect immediately. That's all there is to it. Checking for updates periodically is a simple way to keep Acrobat secure and running at its best. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this walkthrough if you need a quick refresher the next time you update.